In this video, I will be looking up a journal article and a newspaper article to support my thesis statement of how does free college affect funding for the university and its extracurricular programs. Starting at the Weber State Library, I searched college sports funding. There are a few options. I went with March Madness Spotlights Unfair College Sports Funding. It's by Your Turn. It's new, it's relevant, April 2021. A lot of good information about sports funding and where they get their revenue and income from. Next, go back to the library and I searched free higher education. What I came upon was this one. There's no such thing as free higher education. There's the author. It's new. It's relevant. 2018. It discusses other countries and how they make free tuition work and how it's sustainable and the pros and benefits of it. There's a little summary of both sources.